Take a ride in the 2011 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.